Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we're about 7 minutes to open, so you guys probably won't see this till after we open, but here's what I'm looking for today. You've still got the 33.5 area, which is very consistent resistance. You've got 1826 now, which is our jumping off point, the area that we identified yesterday as an area of potential support. That had a really nice morning trade for everybody, anybody that saw the webcast and anybody that marked 26 on their chart. We traded up to 34.75, and what we've seen from there is a series of lower highs. Lower high, those I drew on the subscriber webcast last night, lower high, and I don't know what this is going to be, but maybe a lower high. So you can make the case for both camps. You can say if you're a bear, well, we're making a series of lower highs and 1833.5 is the ceiling. If you're a bull, you say, hey, look, every time we go down to 1826, it bounces, and it looks like we're going to bounce again. And we've essentially made what are matching lows down at daily pivot, 1827, 1828. My thoughts on this are as follows. As long as 1826 stays under the market, with non-farm payrolls, the jobs report on Friday, it's much more likely that we walk up into jobs over the next couple of days versus sell off. That said, there's only so many times the bulls are going to get a crack at 33.5, 34 before they need to break through. And they need to break through, they need to get over 37 and up into 39. Once they do that, then you can pull back to 33, 34 and try to turn that into support. If that happens, that's your most bullish scenario. In that scenario, we just walk on up into jobs on Friday. The 33, 34 area is a good area to get shorts on until the bulls prove they can get through there. So it's been working the last couple of days, and if we get a good sell-off, if we get a good push from this area back through middle band that gets back through 26, 26 should test 20.5, which were the matching lows, fairly quickly. You've got the 20.5 here, you got the lower. So, and what these are, we're also making a series of higher lows. Now, we just broke that cycle. This is not a higher low. So, like I said, you can make a bull case, you can make a bear case, and a lot of people are making both cases today. So the takeaway from that is this: no big bets this morning, okay? No laying it all on the line, long or short, because you think the market is going to do X or you think the market is going to do Y, because honestly, the market could do either. Now you get out on a daily chart. These are the days where you watch the market open up, see what it wants to do, make it find one of these big areas, whether that's 33, 34, whether that's 26, make it find one of those areas and make a decision. When it makes a decision, then you make your decision, but not before. Now, the blue line here is the 9-day moving average on the daily chart of the ES. You're seeing it consistently be support. It's essentially lining up with that 33, 34 area. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 days of resistance. But the bears didn't do anything yesterday to really push the resistance home. We didn't take out the prior day low. 1725 survived the night. 26 has survived the night tonight. So in looking at the daily chart, this just looks like a 4-day pullback. The bears can't complain that they didn't get a pullback. We pulled back from 1846 to 1817. So this whole discussion of we're going straight up, that's not working anymore. So once you get over 34, when 33, 34 becomes support, the bears are pretty much out of answers until you get to jobs. They have to look for the jobs report to be bad to try to get some bad news, some news shock back into the market. So, like I said, watch 26, watch 33, 34, make this market decide, and then you decide. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Sign up for the website. Come check out the chat room. Come take a free trial. Come trade this stuff with us. We would love to have you, love to meet you. A lot of people that come, they love what they see and they stay. So come see what we're all about. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.